Okay, everyone, I'm going to walk you through how you do a model introductory paragraph for an argumentative writing sample. First thing I want you to notice, the proper heading still appears in the left-hand margin. It goes student name, my name, the class, and the date. Everything you see on the screen is the order it needs to appear in. Before delving into the content, I also want you to notice, looking at the writing, it is in Times New Roman. It needs to be 11 or 12 point font, and it needs to be double spaced. Just looking at this paper, so far I can tell it's formatted correctly. Also, make sure that you have a title centered only 2 spaces down from the end of the heading. Okay, this is what it needs to look like. So this is a paper on the topic of charter schools and whether or not they are an effective practice. Simply looking at the title, you can tell that the author believes it is not a smart choice to have charter schools. Now, what needs to be included in the introduction is background information on the topic, any explanation of important terms, and ultimately your thesis. Now, some students think that can be accomplished in 2 to 3 sentences. Looking at this example here, notice that the writer has taken opportunity to explain ideas and explain terms so that the reader has a good understanding of the content going forward. Now, coming down here closer to the bottom of the paper, the introductory paragraph, I want you to notice this last sentence. Being able to choose a school may sound like a reasonable initiative on the surface, but after a closer look, it has serious problems and, if allowed to continue, causes potential issues for the American education system. This is a debatable statement. It takes a stand on something, and the author will be able to provide evidence to support that. These are the elements that need to be included in the introductory paragraph. Use this model to help you when you are writing your own.